Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. You need to start by opening tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, just click on it. Then select close in this pop-up and go back. As you can see, after that, location of my smartphone is off. If you want to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. But you can always go into settings as well. Scroll down and look for location section here. When you find it, click on it and manage location by tapping on this sweater next to location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!